Hey everyone, good evening. It's Scott at Scott Trades on X with StockMarketMentor.com and your chart of the day. Want to follow up on VEEV systems. This is ticker VEEV. Now, last week, I think it was on Friday, I did a video on VEEV. And I said, I'm watching VEEV next week. You can see I did it 5 days ago. And this was one of our free charts of the day for Stock Market Mentor. We finally got the breakout that we've been looking for here on VEEV, and it came on higher than average volume. Now, this has been a chart that we have been stalking, for lack of a better term, because it's been in a really nice base, and it's been able to hold the earnings gap from May, and it didn't even break down under this earnings gap low. And that's typically a sign that you want to look for in strong stocks, a stock where it gaps up, holds the gap, and every time it dips down, buyers step in and buy some of that dip. And we saw that here play out on VEEV, and we finally got a break on good volume today. So if you took this trade, firstly, congratulations, nice work. This is one where I think at this point you'd want to have a stop down near the 8-day and 20-day MA complex here to just keep you in the trade. Because this has been one that goes up and then comes right back down, if you bought this today, ideally, it's able to hold above that 21-day EMA and close above that 21-day EMA. So even if it does backtest this move a little bit, you're not being shaken out. Now, VEEV actually doesn't have earnings until the end of August. So you got lots of time here, in my opinion, to ride this momentum as long as it lasts and build up a cushion leading up to their report on August the 27th. Now, the last couple of earnings reports have been positive. Look at all these green boxes. So this could potentially turn into a nice long-term position trade if you're able to build up a good cushion here on VEEV systems. So that's just one of many things we're looking at tonight over at StockMarketMentor.com. And if you made money on this trade, you should see what we're giving our premium members at Stock Market Mentor and Crypto Market Mentor. Click the link, StockMarketMentor.com, and hopefully we'll see you on the other side.